Have you ever wondered how Netflix suggests movies you might like, or how your email filters out spam? The answer is machine learning. It's a powerful technology that's changing the way we live, work, and play. Machine learning is all around us. It helps us find information online, get personalized recommendations, and even drive our cars. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars, machine learning is making our lives easier and more efficient. As we enter the age of artificial intelligence, understanding the basics of machine learning is becoming increasingly important. In this essay, we will explore the fascinating world of machine learning and its impact on our daily lives. In simple terms, machine learning is teaching computers to learn from data without explicit programming. Instead of giving computers step-by-step instructions, we feed them massive amounts of data and let them figure out the patterns and relationships on their own. Imagine you're teaching a child to identify a cat. You wouldn't give them a complex definition. Instead, you'd show them pictures of cats, pointing out their distinct features. Machine learning works similarly. We provide computers with data and they learn from this data to make predictions or decisions. The more data they have, the better they become at their task. The machine learning process typically involves 4 main steps. First, data collection. Gathering relevant data from various sources. This could include anything from text and images to sensor data and user interactions. Second, data preparation. Cleaning and organizing the data to make it suitable for training a machine learning model. This step involves handling missing values, dealing with inconsistencies, and transforming the data into a usable format. Third, training a model. This is where the magic happens. We use the prepared data to train a machine learning model. The model learns from the patterns and relationships in the data. Think of it like practicing for an exam. The more you practice, the better you become at answering the questions. Finally, making predictions. Once the model is trained, we can use it to make predictions on new, unseen data. For example, a model trained to identify spam emails can be used to filter out spam from your inbox. Section 4, Types of Machine Learning. There are 3 main types of machine learning. First, we have supervised learning. In this type, we provide the machine with labeled data. This means that for every input, we also provide the correct output. The machine learns to map inputs to outputs based on this labeled data. For example, predicting house prices based on features like location, size, and amenities. Next, there's unsupervised learning. In unsupervised learning, the machine is given unlabeled data. The goal is to discover hidden patterns or structures in the data without any specific guidance. A good example here would be grouping customers with similar purchasing behavior for targeted advertising. And finally, we have reinforcement learning. This type is all about training an agent to make a series of decisions in an environment to maximize a reward. The agent learns from its mistakes and successes through trial and error. Think of training a robot to navigate a maze or play a game. Section 5. Machine Learning in Action. Machine learning is transforming various industries and aspects of our lives. Here are a few examples. First, virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google. Assistants heavily rely on machine learning to understand our voice commands, provide relevant information, and even crack jokes. Next, recommendation systems. Ever wondered how Amazon suggests products you might like or how Spotify creates personalized playlists? It's all thanks to machine learning algorithms analyzing your past behavior and preferences. Of course, autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars use machine learning to perceive their surroundings, make decisions, and navigate safely. From detecting objects and pedestrians to predicting traffic patterns, machine learning is crucial for the development of autonomous vehicles. Section 6. The importance of machine learning. Machine learning is not just a buzzword, it's a transformative technology with the potential to revolutionize various aspects of our lives. By enabling machines to learn from data and make intelligent decisions, we can first increase efficiency, automate repetitive tasks, optimize processes, and improve productivity in various industries. Second, personalize experiences. Deliver tailored recommendations, customize user interfaces, and create more engaging experiences. And lastly, drive innovation. Develop new products and services, find solutions to complex problems, and push the boundaries of what's possible. As machine learning continues to evolve, its impact on our lives will only grow stronger. Understanding the basics of this technology is no longer a luxury but a necessity. By embracing the power of machine learning, we can unlock a future filled with exciting possibilities.